Good morning, student. I'm your Stephen sir from ICRA English Medium. Today I'm going to teach you subject English, class 12, and the book which I'm going to use is a Vistas textbook. And the today's chapter is chapter number 2, The Tiger King. So today I'm going to give you some summary of the Tiger King. So let's get started. The Tiger King summary. The story mocks the willfulness and arrogance of those in power. The writer of the story takes us to the days when king ruled. Also, they lived under the thumb rule of the British. In addition, the ruler was uninterested in serving the people. Instead, they spent their time on foolish pursuits. They bent law to suit their interest. Besides, the Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram tries to disprove his fate that the chief astrologer predicted that a tiger will kill him. So he tries to believe the prediction and hunted down 99 tigers successfully. But the 100 tigers, although not made of flesh and blood, take his life. As one of the silvers of wood cut his right hand, and because of infection he dies. So this was little brief information about the chapter number 2, the Tiger King. Now I'll explain you this chapter in briefly so that you can write if this thing comes in exam. This story refers to the Maharaja Sir Jilani Hang Bahadur of Pratibandhapuram. So Pratibandhapuram, it's a place where there is a Maharaja Sir Jilani Hang Bahadur. Astrologer predict his future when he was just 10 years old. Astrologer means हस्तरेखा means जो हाथ देखता हो, astrologer. Astrologer says that a tiger will kill him. On this, surprisingly, the 10-year-old prince said, "Let tiger beware." When the Maharaja Sir Jilani Hang Bahadur, when he was 10 years old, that time one astrologer came and he gave his testimony about that this Maharaja will die through tiger attack when he was 10 years old. So that time this Maharaja said, "Let the tiger be aware, I will kill him." The boy grows up just like any other royal child resides, such as by drinking the milk of cow and looked after by English nanny with watching English movies. So he was from the royal family and he was having all kinds of facilities like drinking cow's milk, white cow milk, and there were nannies, means aya, who take cares of small kids. There were English nannies and he was watching English movie and getting younger. When he was 20, he was crowned king and came to know about the prediction about his death. So when he was 20, when he was 10, he was not so aware, but when he was 20, that time he came to know about his death. Then onwards, at the age of 20, he started killing a tiger and put a ban on the tiger hunt in his state. So what he did, that astrologer what astrologer said, that you will be dying in the hand of tiger. So what did Maharaja did at the age of 20? He put ban यानी कि रद्द कराना, मतलब कोई चीज खारिज कराना. So what he did, in his state only he is allowed to kill all the tigers. According to the astrologer, he need to be careful with the 100 tiger even if he successfully kill 99 tigers. Then ahead, what happened? One time, a high ranking British officer visits his state and wants to go for a tiger hunt. So, in his state, one day, what happened? One officer came, British officer. He is also interested in hunting tigers. However, the Maharaja declined his wish, and in order to secure the state from the wrath of the British officer, the Maharaja sent 50 diamond ring to the officer wife, worth was rupees 3 lakhs. So at that time, what did this Maharaja did? Maharaja don't want anyone to kill the tiger, only he want to kill the tiger. So he was getting scared by this British officer. If I will not allow him, then he will do something to my state. So to impress him, what he is doing, he is giving, Maharaja is sending 50 diamond ring to the officer's wife, worth rupees 3 lakhs. How many lakhs? 3 lakhs. Within 10 years of Maharaja successful slay 70 tigers. But after that, there were no tigers left in Pratibandhapuram. So after 70 tigers, Maharaja killed almost 7070 tigers in his state. But all the tigers got finished, over. There were not a single tiger left over there. Hence, to complete his target of killing 100 tigers, he marries a girl from the royal state that has more tigers so that he can complete his target. So, to complete his target, was what he is doing? He is marrying a girl from the royal family. In her state, there is a lot of tiger to complete his target. Whenever he visit his in-laws means wife family, he makes sure that he kills 5 to 6 tiger each time. In addition, in this way he was able to kill 99 tigers, but he was unable to find the 100 tiger. So he is able to kill, after 70 he is able to kill 5 to 6 tiger when he visit his wife family side. But till then, it was 99 tigers almost killed, but only one tiger was left. On not finding the 10th tiger, the Maharaja became violent and threatened the Diwan. In order, in order to in order to save himself from the fury of the king, the Diwan got an old tiger from the circus and with great difficulty put him in the forest. So who is Diwan? Diwan means a person who is working over there. So Maharaja got frustrated because he wanted to kill last tiger and there were no tigers. So he sent Diwan. Diwan means one type of a servant, Senapati type. So he sent Diwan and told him that go and bring one tiger from him. So Diwan was very upset where to find. So at last he find a tiger in circus, and that circus tiger, he brings that circus tiger in front of Raja, Maharaja. So He told Maharaja about the tiger. So Maharaja went on a hunt and shot the tiger. So what did Diwan did? Diwan took that tiger and threw him to the forest. And then he told Maharaja about the tiger. Then Maharaja went hunting. Maharaja went on a hunt and shot the tiger and felt victorious and happy. So why Maharaja felt victorious? Victorious means jeet hasil karna. So why Maharaja was victorious? He felt that he has killed 100 tiger. So Maharaja went on a hunt and shot that, felt victorious and happy. But then again, he did not know that his bullet missed and the tiger was alive and only collapsed out of fear. So what happened, that 100 tiger was not killed because his bullet was missed, and the tiger which fell because of the fear, he was not killed. No one has the guts to tell the truth to the king, so they killed the tiger and brought it in the grand procession. So what happened, that tiger collapsed, that tiger fell down, but he was not killed by the Maharaja's bullet. So then who killed him? Who killed that tiger? That Senapati and all, they killed the tiger due to the fear of Maharaja. So they brought that tiger in front of the Maharaja, and there were a grand procession. Procession मतलब बारात, वडगोड़ा, बारात लेके निकलना. Lastly, the Maharaja was joyful and happy. So, one of his son's birthday, he buy a wooden tiger as a gift for him. The tiger had rough edge, and while playing with it, he get a wood cut in his hand, which later on advances into an infection. So one day, what happened? He was happy and he brought a gift for his son's birthday, a wooden tiger gifted. And that wooden tiger, it was having a wooden edge. And due to that, he got a cut in his hand because that wood edge was sharp little bit. Due to that, he got a cut in his hand. And due to that, he got infection. And because of it, he died. Therefore, fatefully, the 100 tiger, although made of wood, take its revenge and kill the king. So how he was killed by? He was killed by a wooden tiger. Okay, have you got this chapter now? Conclusion of this Tiger King summary is, by means of the Tiger King summary, is the writer wants to say that no one can change what's written in destiny, no matter what they do. So this was the explanation of this chapter. Thank you so much.